Hello students, today in this video we will learn your topic data handling exercise 5.1. So let's see the question number 2. The shoppers who come to a departmental store are marked as men represented by capital M, woman represented by W, boy is represented by B, or girl is represented by capital Z. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hour in the morning. So these are the data given who came during the first hour in the morning. You see W, 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 Z, B. These are what? Shoppers who came during the first hour in the morning. So what we have to do? Make a frequency distribution table using telemarks. First we will make the frequency distribution table. Here you write shopper, then tele, then frequency, or you can write number. So shopper, first you see W, that means women. How many women came to the store, departmental store? We will find first women. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Anyone left? You see? Getting 27. Check it. This one you see? 1 again left. 28. Is there any more? No more. So how much getting? That means 28 women came during the first hour in the morning. So you write now tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now, after woman you see what? After woman, then you find, for example, girl, Z. How many girls came during the first hour in the morning? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 girls came during the first hour in the morning. So right now tally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next, you see boy. How many boys came during the first hour? Boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, after boy, what is there? Men. How many men came? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 15 men came during the first hour in the morning to the departmental store. So now you write tally 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So you find now total. Total 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. 2 in hand. 2 plus 1 3 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is your frequency distribution table. Now you see the question, draw a bar graph to illustrate it. To illustrate this information, you have to draw the bar graph now. Let's see. Now this information will show in a graph board. We will draw now bar graph. So in x-axis we will represent choppers. In y-axis we will represent the frequency. So first chopper, you see omen. Omen how much frequency? 28. So I have taken here in 5 small square I have taken 10. Next 5 small square I have taken again 10. So you in the graph book you can take 10 small square is 5, okay, or 5 small square is you can take 1. You make in your graph book you can take any 10 small square is you can take 1 also in your graph paper, okay. So now first omen how much? 28. So 10 20 22. Here one small square has 2 units, okay. This one 22 24 26 28. This much is omen. Then we leave 2 space. Now we will represent girl. So how much? Girl is 12. So 10 up to here, then 12. Next boy is 5. Next boy 5. So 2 small squares we have 2 2 4, it will be 6. So you take up to the midpoint of 4 and 6 will be the 5. This much boy. Then man is how much? 15. 15 10 12 14 15. 15 will be between 14 and 16, okay. 14 and 16, this line. Will be the man. So this is your bar graph. In this way you have to draw the bar graph in your graph paper. Let's see the next question number 3. The weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are. So these are wages of 30 workers. For example, one worker getting wages how much? 830 rupees. Another worker getting 835 rupees. So these are wages of 30 workers in a factory. So what we have to do, using telemarks, make a frequency table with class interval as 800 to 810, 810 to 820. You see the class size? Class size of this class interval, how much? 810 minus 800 is 10. That means taking class size 10, you have to make the frequency table. So now we'll make the table. Here you write intervals. Here you write telemark or tele. Your frequency. First class interval given how much? 800 to 810. So now you find how many workers getting wages from 800 to 810. So you don't include 810, okay? Between up to 809 you can include here. One, two, three. Only three workers getting wages between 800 to rupees 800 to 810. So tally 1, 2, 3. Next class is 810 to 820. Your class size is 10. So 810 plus 10 is 820. So between 810 and 820, now you check it. How many workers getting between these? 1, 2, 2. 2 workers getting between these two. Tally 2. Next class interval will be 820 to 830. One, only one. Next class will be 830 to 840. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 workers getting wages between 830 to 840. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next class will be 840 to 850. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 workers getting wages between 840 to 850. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next class 850 to 860. 1, only 1. Next 860 to 870. 1, 2, 3. Three workers getting wages between 860 to 870. Next class is 870 to 880. One. Only one. Next 880 to 890. 1. Only one. Next 890 to how much? 900. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see all the data already cancelled. That means our table is over. Total, you see the total of this frequency. How many workers are there? We have 30 workers. So when you find total, you have to get 30 here. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 6 plus 3 9 9 plus 1 10 10 plus 5 15 15 plus 9 24 plus 1 25 25 plus 2 27 27 plus 3 how much? 30. So we have 30 getting when you add this frequency. So we have 30 workers in your question. That means your table is correct. Okay. Let's see the next question, number 4. Draw a histogram for the frequency table made for the data in question number 3 and answer the following questions. Number 1. Which group has the maximum number of workers? Number 2. How many workers earn rupees 850 and more? Number 3. How many workers earn less than rupees 850? So first you have to draw the histogram for the frequency table made for the data in question number 3. So in the last question, question number 3, these data we get. So by using this data, you have to draw a histogram. Okay, you have to use this data to draw the histogram. Let's see. So now you have to use this data to draw the histogram. First you make this x-axis and y-axis right here. In x-axis we will represent wages in rupees. First 800 to 810, then 810 to 820, then 820 to 830. In this way you draw in your graph paper. In y-axis we will take number of workers, that means the frequency. The frequency we will represent in y-axis. So first 800 to 810, how much? Frequency number 3, that means we have 3 workers who get salary, how much? Or wages 800 to 810. So 800 to 810, how much? 3. So you draw up to 3. Next 810 to 820, how much? 2. 810 to now 820 is 2. So 2 up to here. 2. 810 to 820. 2 workers. Next 820 to 830. How much? 1. So 1, so we have up to there 822, 831. Only one worker getting 822, 830. Next 830 to 840. How many worker? 9. 830 to 840. 9. What is 9? This one. Next 840 to 850. How much? 5. 5 this line. Up to 5. Next 850 to 860. How much? 1. So 1 we have up to there. Next 860 to 870. 3. 1, 2, 3. Next 870 to 880. How much? 1. 880 to 890. Again 1. 880 to 890. Then 890 to 900. How much? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Yes. Up to there. So our histogram is over. In y-axis we represent number of workers. In x-axis we represent what? Wages of the workers. These are wages. Here we represent number of workers. Now we will do the next problems. Let's see. Now this question number 1. Which group has the maximum number of workers? Maximum number of workers, you see, 9. 9 workers. In which group? 830 to 840. Number 1. In which group? 830 to 840. Let's see the number 2 question. How many workers earn rupees 850 and more? You see 850 to 860. From here that means all 850 more than rupees 850. So this group here from here 1 plus 3 how much? 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 4 10. How many workers earn? 10 workers. 10 workers earn rupees 850 and more. Let's see the next one. How many workers earn less than 850? Today we have how many workers? We have 30 workers in question number 3, isn't it? So that means more than from 850 is 10. Less than these are. If you count, you will get 20. 5 plus 9, 14 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. So 20 workers earn less than rupees 850. Total we have 30 workers. So 10 workers earn rupees 850 and more. The rest 20 workers earn less than rupees 850. So in this video we will do this much only. So we will meet you in the next video. Thank you.